Today, we will introduce the installation and use of portable depth sounders. Open the portable case. First, the handheld components. Bluetooth printer charger. Handheld component charger. Bluetooth printer. Connect handheld components to print measurement results. The meter ruler is mainly used to assist in on-site measurement. Front-end transducer and output line. The cable length of the front-end transducer is 10 meters. Output line used in conjunction with handheld components. There are two measuring rods, one long and one short. You can freely assemble it according to the on-site situation during use. It should be noted that the short measuring rod needs to be screwed onto the front transducer first. Then the backend can choose whether to add it based on your usage needs. Next are some preparation work before measurement. Firstly, the handheld component, which is the measuring instrument part. The upper part is the display screen, and the lower part is the function button area. The lower interface is used to connect the transducer at the front end. When installing, pay attention to aligning the notch with the protruding part of the lower interface of the handheld component. We can see from the above section that there are three interfaces. On the far left is a charging port. The signal output interface has a waterproof terminal in the middle. The signal cable included in the box can be connected to computers and other devices to read data in real time. On the right is the Type-C interface. Can connect to USB for real-time export of data stored in the device. Now let's demonstrate the use of this device. Firstly, insert the transducer into the lower interface of the handheld component and tighten it. Short press the power button to turn on the device. After booting up, the device enters the measurement interface. Can display actual water depth and temperature. Because the front-end sensor transducer can output two parameters, water depth and temperature. Below is the precision latitude velocity. Speed can be understood as the movement speed of this device. The bottom mode is divided into automatic mode and manual mode. Next, let's talk about the function settings. First, click the OK button to enter the menu. The first one is the system time. Click OK. Calibrate the time. This is related to whether the time for storing measurement data in the device is accurate. After setting up, click OK to return to the previous interface. Press the up and down buttons to move the cursor. Enter measurement settings. The base and coefficient have already been set before leaving the factory, so you don't need to make any adjustments. We need you to adjust whether the medium is fresh water or seawater. The sensor automatically adjusts the gain according to your different settings. There are two types of distances, less than 10 meters and greater than 10 meters. You need to make a choice based on the actual situation. The transducer will automatically adjust the gain according to your selection. After setting up, return to the previous interface. Perform local settings. First, turn on the GPS. Then turn on Bluetooth, which can be used to connect to a Bluetooth printer. Finally, open communication. The address and baud rate are related to the Bluetooth serial port on the upper part of the handheld component. Bottom storage time. You can set the automatic storage time interval according to your needs. After setting, go back to the main interface. Restore factory settings or switch between Chinese and English. The following is about the measurement part. Measurement mode defaults to automatic mode. We can switch by pressing the M, A keys in the button area below. In manual mode, press the second button to start measuring. Equipment for single measurement and single data storage. In automatic mode, the instrument can continuously measure in automatic mode. Next is the Bluetooth printer section. First, turn on Bluetooth in the menu, and then return to the main interface. Then we can see that the Bluetooth printer has two buttons. Long press the left button until the blue light comes on, and the Bluetooth printer has successfully turned on. Then we can see the status of Bluetooth displayed on the screen, proving that it has been automatically paired. Usage conditions of Bluetooth printer. Only handheld devices can print in manual mode. Perform measurements in manual mode and synchronize printing with the printer. Measure once, print once. The printed content is the same as what is displayed on the screen. Shut down directly after use. Long press and right-click on the Bluetooth printer to shut it down. Finally, it should be noted that the probe must be submerged in water before each operation. At the same time, we suggest the probe should be at least 10 cm away from the water surface. The transducer is located at a distance of 0.5 meters or more from the shore. Finally, after use, put each part back into the box in order.